China has done a lot to support the development of our aviation industry, said Seleena, the general manager of Kenya's Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
Chinese government and also the Chinese people, they've done a lot to support the development of the aviation industry. Most of our airports, from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to Kisumu Airport, has actually been supported and the infrastructure improved by the Chinese government.
Speaking during the launch of an ultra-modern lounge at the airport, Gore said the modern facility is expected to enhance the number of tourists coming to Kenya and provide transiting air travelers with global standard services.
Have a lot of Chinese people coming in to do investments, to travel, because of the numbers of Chinese who are coming into Kenya. We have made a deliberate decision as Kenya Airports Authority to train our customer service and security staff in the language of Chinese so that they are able to communicate